Lezi izindaba zethembisa online. Right, ake sikubingelele sikwamukele sawubona igama lami ngingumfanelo. Uphenyi Bheshu ngingowakwaZanibe isibongo. Sikwethulela izindaba konke okwenzekayo endaweni yasethembisa, Ivory Park, Rabe Ridge nezindawo ezisungezile. Ake sikubingelele sikwamukele sawubona igama umfanelo Uphenyi Bheshu ngingowakwaZanibe isibongo. Sithe ake siphume sibheke ukuthi ke ngabe ke kuhamba kanjani uma ngabe sithinta ke la kusuke kusetshenzelwa khona ukuthinta ke izingqalazinda amahhovisi nako konke ke nje ukuthinta amandla kagesi. Sila eKempton Park okuyindawo ke eyidepo yakhona ke la kusuke ke kuhanjiswa khona ke izinto ke ezithinta ukuphakwa amandla kagesi. Sibona ke iziphathimandla zomkhandlu udolobha waseKuruleni zingenelela zihambela lezi indawo nabasebenzi uqinisekisa ukuthi konke okumayelana nokuhanjiswa nokuphakwa kwamandla kagesi kuhamba kahle. Siyazi ukuthi ke kuyaye kube nezinkinga zokuphakwa amandla kagesi endaweni zako Kempton Park kanjalo nako Thembisa, Betchekas, singabala nabo Eastland Park. Njoba silana nje sobheka ukuthi mhlambe ke kukhona yini abangasithembisa khona uqinisekisa ukuthi ke izinto zihamba kahle. Isiqubulo ke abasiphethe abomkhandlu udolobha waseKuruleni sithi fixing the front line. Ukuthola kabanzi ngalokhu ake wethamele ke lezi inkulumo esibe nazo la ozokwazi ukuthi ke uthole kabanzi ngazo iziphathimandla.
My name is Chili Zitenga. I'm the head of the energy department here in the city of Ekurhuleni.
Thank you very much, sir. Can you tell us about the Fixing the Frontline program or campaign?
This campaign is actually a legacy program of this current city manager. They came here last week, they met the staff, and some commitments were made, and part of it is what is bringing us here to do the work, part of what we promised last week. Some of the things that were promised were to make sure that this facility is in good condition. That means the environment needs to be very clean. Secondly, the workers complained about lack of certain resources that are required to deliver service. And we are here to tell them that we have made arrangements, we have procured the vehicles that they asked for, and we have made arrangements for making provision of all the material that they require in order to do their work.
Already you have started the campaign which is Fixing the Front Line. Tell us, when was it launched and when is it ending?
This campaign was launched last week. It involves a frontline, not just in the energy department, but it involves all the departments, all the service delivery departments in the city, your water, your waste management, your roads, everything is part of this program, and it will go on for as long as the city manager is here in the city of Ekurhuleni.
How many facilities have you visited so far, and what is the reception?
We have visited at least more than 4 facilities, different facilities, your waste, your energy, and the reception is very well. Employees are willing to tell us their issues and not keep anything in order for us to assist them to do their work.
Any meaningful success that you would like to share with us?
I think if you look at this, today we are here at the Kempton Park Depot. The staff morale here has been boosted. Today we came in here. As you can see, we have made provisions of some of the toolboxes that they requested, and that made them to be very excited, and they are more than willing to work.
Yesterday we saw you in Boksburg, and what was happening and how will that benefit the Ekurhuleni?
I think what we are trying to do is to make sure that our staff are motivated. We are trying to resolve all the issues that relate to, service deliveries. We want to understand what is it that we are not giving them. What is it that the city is lacking in order to improve service delivery? So we know all those kind of things. Hence I said we are making the vehicles available to them. The other resources like material, we are making all of that available in order to improve service. Kempton Park has got quite a number of challenges, really. So first you want to make sure you do what you need to do internally. So that means resources must be available. But in Kempton Park lately, we have been seeing a lot of cable theft and vandalism of equipment. So you can understand that if that happens, if you don't have the resources, you will not be able to respond in time. So making those resources available then gives you the opportunity to respond in time. But at the same time, we have to deal with the cable theft issue. We have to deal with the vandalism issue. In order to deal with that, we are busy rolling out our early warning technology. That means when whoever is trying or attempting to steal the cable, then there will be alarms that will be sent to the control center, and then people will be dispatched to look at that. Those are some of the issues that we're currently dealing with. Capacity issues, we are busy upgrading a lot of substations. So generally, the entire city of Ekurhuleni, we are faced with the biggest challenge of cable theft and vandalism of equipment. And the program that I just highlighted is aimed at minimizing, the impact of cable theft in the entire city.
Are there specific plans on
Look, the first approach really is to implement technology. It's easier, but we need the support of the community as well, because these things are happening in their own areas, their own communities. We need people to talk, we need people to report these things, we need people to collect evidence of what is happening. So it's some kind of a partnership that really needs to happen between the city and the communities. But we are really implementing technology as a first stop.
My name is Mabela Jonathan. I'm head of EPMO.
Thank you, madam. Please, if you can kindly tell us what is happening here today.
Thank you so much. What is happening today is to make sure that we are assisting with the fixing of the front line, especially of the people that are working in the depots. The city manager started this program last week, January on the 16th, to understand exactly what is happening in the depot so that we can be able to provide the right service delivery to the people of the city of Ekurhuleni.
Tell us about the maintenance, the state of the municipal facilities. We know, like offices, libraries. Sometimes we see there's grass and everything. Tell us about your intervention.
The intervention of EPMO today is to make sure that the facilities or the depots of the city of Ekurhuleni are fit for the purpose. In terms of the showers, the people of the front line, when they come to work here, the facilities are working, the showers are working, the ablutions, and then when people come to visit, then they can get a very good service. And what is important is about the environment, the cleanliness, because what is important is when these people come to work here, they must find the facilities clean and habitable.
What are you hoping to achieve, and how will it then impact in the community at large?
What is important is cleanliness and the service delivery, because when people are happy, they can be able to provide a good service. But when the environment is not clean, then most of the people, when they come here, they just come here and sit because the environment is not habitable for them to work. So what we want to achieve is to make sure that all the facilities, the grass is short, is cut, and then there are road markings, there are no potholes, electricity is working, and the people are here to serve the people of Ekurhuleni. With the good environment, with the good facilities, everything we are going to be able to achieve. And we do have low-hanging fruit where we are going to be painting, changing of locks, air cons, and also to make sure that our building is suitable for people with disability. And then by June, everything will be fine. But end of February, the showers, the painting, the walls and everything else, even the toilets, ablutions, will be in order. We are not only going to do Kempton Park, we are going to do all the facilities, all the depots, but we are launching this one today. Thank you.
Sanibonani, gama uZipho Khumalo, Chief Engineer la Kempton Park. Namhlanje besivakashelwe abaphathimandla bamasipala. And basizile kakhulu. We really appreciate the intervention abayenzile lana over the past 2 weeks. Na last week bebefikile, namhlanje bebenza follow up to ensure ukuthi izenzakalile lezi zinto ebebezithembisile. And nangempela basinikezile empowerish, basinikeza amathuluzi. As you can see around, the teams are working, improving working conditions for abasebenzi balana Kempton Park, bakwagesi, energy department, and umsebenzi usaqhubeka. Yeah, we just really appreciate it. Yeah.
Sibona ngathi bangenelela naseyindabeni ezithinta ke i-maintenance kanjalo nokuthi nani environment yenu ihlanzeke ibe right. Izoyiboosta kangakanani imorale yenu ngokusebenza?
Izosiboosta kune phrase ethi charity begins at home. And if abasebenzi i-environment abasebenza kuyona i-conducive for i-productivity, kuyasiza ngempela nokuthi bakwazi uma bephuma ngaphandle bayowenza umsebenzi omuhle.
Uthe mawuvula wathi u-chief engineer, umuntu osekhaya nje manje kwaziseke isikhathi lesi sika January nabanye abafundi basafisa ukuthi nabo ngelinye ilanga bebizwe ngabaphathi. Wenzani u-chief engineer?
Chief engineer, ama-functions ahlukile. As you know, with almost any fraternity, whether it's law, legal, medicine, kunama-aspects ahlukile I guess. So as a chief engineer, I'm responsible for planning and construction, infrastructure, I guess, in Kempton Park. I'm responsible for operations and maintenance, customer services, protection, test and metering, and public lighting. I run those areas with my team. Not alone, I can't take credit alone, I run it with my team. We're 116 staff members. Yeah.
Okay. Umuntu osesikoleni nje manje othi hayi yabona le yiyo le engangilindile ngangifuna umuntu ofana nalo ukuthi azokhuluma nami yimi lo. Angenza ziphi izifundo?
Angenza electrical engineering. Maningi, I think there's khona le yenziwa FET college, khona yenziwa University of Technology, and then khona yenziwa nasema university. So I think iyona mkhakha mkhakha ngathatha ukuthi awuzabe i-engineer. Then again, depending on ukuthi uye kiphi out of the three that I've just mentioned, your starting point yakhe iqala lapho. So I think most of the guys base FET baba ma-electrician, and then nakhona bakwazi ukuthi bakhule laba asema University of Technology baqala as ama-technician, and then nakhona bakwazi ukuthi bakhule, and nalaba basema university baba ma-engineer bakhule nabo futhi ngokulingana mase in the workplace.
The main reason we are here, lastly we were here to meet with our officials in the depot as we were launching the legacy of fixing the front line, which is the depot, and we came here to listen to the challenge that our colleagues faced. Which will have been a problem as far as it relates to dealing with the issues of the city. And they did raise those issues, and we made a commitment that we will come the following weekend to give a progress in terms of how far are we in resolving their issues. We did indicate that this is not a PR issue, it's an issue that is closer to our heart, to ensure that our employees are well empowered so that we can deal with the issues of the service delivery. So there were 4 issues that we raised last week. One of the issues was the tools, that we don't have enough tools to deal with the issues on the ground. And you can see today we're handed these tools and sit at home. The second issue is the issues of the fleet. We are launching the fleet next week to empower them to be on the ground and be able to speedily resolve the issues. And the other issues was the issues of the PPE, and the HOD has advised that they are all have been provided with the PPE. And the fourth one was because of the facility. There is a lot of issues in terms of the hygiene of the facilities. And we did deploy the HOD EPMO to come and do an analysis. He did an analysis, has committed that by the end of February, all the showers and all the issues that have challenges will have been resolved.
Yake muzwa kwethu uyizwele nawe ukuthi ke sikhulumile nakuba singageqe magula, kodwa ke uzwile ukuthi ukukhuluma ngempela ke kubuyisa ithemba nenhlelo ke zikamasipala ezikhona ukuqinisekisa ukuthi ke yonke into ihamba kahle. Ezindabeni zethembisa online ngingumfanelo uPhenyi Bheshu wakwaZanibe. Umbiko siuqophe e-Energy Depot yalapha eKempton Park, kanti kangihambi ngedwa khona Mahlatsi Mashamayite ubanele uBrazo wakwaSondo.